Ever taken the perfect group photo, but someone blinked or made a weird face? Don't worry, Samsung's Best Face feature can fix that in seconds. On the Samsung Galaxy S26 series, you get an amazing Galaxy AI feature called Best Face. It lets you fix closed eyes, awkward expressions, or bad timing in group photos using frames from motion photos. Make sure you captured the photo with motion photo on. Otherwise, the Best Face option won't appear. How to use Best Face on Samsung Galaxy S26 series. Open the Gallery app on your phone. Select a motion photo. Swipe up to view more details. Look for the Choose Best Face option and tap on it. Now here's the magic. At the bottom, you'll see multiple face options for each person. These are different expressions captured from the motion photo. Tap on a face to switch expressions like "oh." You can manually select the expression from the motion photo and tap Save. Once you're happy with the result, select your perfect match face. Tap Save. Your photo will be updated with the best expressions. And just like that, your perfect shot is ready. You can fix each person individually until the photo looks perfect. And that's how you use Best Face on your Samsung Galaxy S26.